Hello, I'm Robert Rives with the City of Kansas City, Missouri. I'm the facility manager. We recently started using ARCHIBUS. About 18 months ago, we went live with the building operations module. Since that implementation, we have implemented the space management, the move management, the real estate, and lease management. My department currently takes care of about 8 million square feet, comprising of 150 assets, most of them office buildings. However, it does include parking garages, health departments, building, fire stations, police stations, so quite a wide variety of facilities. Before ARCHIBUS, we had 3x5 index cards. So this was a giant leap in progress for our division and in facility management. Certainly 3x5 cards are very antiquated, and ARCHIBUS is a very powerful tool. It was very easy to implement. And we were going to run a parallel system with ARCHIBUS when we first implemented it, along with our 3x5 cards. And we were going to do that for 1 month. After 3 days, my building managers came to me and said, "Robert, do we really need to do the old way?" And so we just went straight forward with building ops and ARCHIBUS. Some of the business results is we have really streamlined and improved our customer service. But also in the implementation of ARCHIBUS, we have found some enormous savings in our real estate and leasing module. When we were implementing that, we found we were behind in applying our CPIs to several of the leases, and that we weren't getting paid from some of the previous leases. That amounted to savings or cost finding of almost $250,000. We've recently received the Kansas City Industrial Council Award for Sustainability. In 2010, we won a gold certificate from that organization, and in 2012, we won 3. One of them silver and 2 of them gold, so we are getting some recognition. Since we now have a better sense of the use of our space, we've moved several departments from space that we were leasing into space that we own. And this has resulted in savings of $175,000, and then the follow-up move was $138,000 a year. Certainly we have many customers that we support. Perhaps we can use the fire department and the police department as examples. We do get funding from those entities for maintenance, and they're always asking, "Well, what have you done for me today?" And since we're always in the background, they really never know, but now we're able to produce some reports, and on a quarterly basis we meet with them and go over that scope of work and the cost that has taken place in taking care of their facilities. So they're appreciative of the work that we're doing and the reporting capabilities that ARCHIBUS has provided. In the past was a lot of animosity, but now they have that assurance that we're spending their funds appropriately and doing a good job in taking care of the facilities. The next step in our implementation would be going mobile and having mobile applications for ARCHIBUS. Our intent in going mobile would be to give the technicians handheld devices where they can gather information in the field. Also for our space planning and gathering data for our space planning and space management modules. In the next 12 months, we're adding more buildings to the space allocation module. We're currently working on 7 new buildings to put into the platform. Also, again, to going mobile. And we're looking at leveraging the power of ARCHIBUS in our solid waste department to measure our waste diversion. Also, our Office of Environmental Quality to ensure environmental compliance.